AI just moved again. Fast. And cheap. Very cheap. A new model is here. Claude Opus 4.5. Smarter, cheaper, and better at coding than humans. This isn't a small upgrade. It's a direct hit to your current AI stack and your cost structure. Here's the twist. Opus 4.5 is not only powerful, it's aggressively priced and positioned to reshape how builders deploy AI. Welcome back to AI Pulse, your calm, smart, and slightly witty guide to what actually matters in AI. If you prefer clarity over hype, go ahead and subscribe. It tells the algorithm that you like intelligence more than noise. Alright, let's break it down. Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.5 as a direct competitor to GPT 5.1 and Gemini 3. Two things stand out: performance and price. Opus 4.5 is strong in coding tasks. On SWE-bench verified, it scores 80.9%, slightly above OpenAI's GPT 5.1 Codex Max. Anthropic also said something bold. Opus scored higher than any human candidate they have ever tested on their hardest engineering exam. It doesn't measure teamwork, but it is a strong signal for autonomous coding. Now the real shift: efficiency. Opus 4.5 uses far fewer tokens to reach the same results, up to 76% fewer on key tests. That is how Anthropic cut the price to $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. There's also a new control knob, the effort parameter. Lower effort means fast and cheap. Higher effort means slow and smart. You choose the trade-off between latency, cost, and performance. And there's something new in the agent space. Early customers showed self-improving agents, agents that solve a problem, improve their own strategy, and try again. One e-commerce customer said Opus 4.5 agents reached peak performance in 4 iterations. Older models needed 10. And here is the simple version. Imagine assigning a 1091 engineer. They try once, fix their own mistakes, try again, and again, until the work is clean. Opus agents are basically doing that, just without the coffee breaks or existential crises. So what does all of this mean for builders and teams? Let's zoom out. So why should builders care? Because the cost war just became real. $5 input, $25 output. These numbers change the economics of high-volume AI. Anthropic also added programmatic tool calling. Claude can now write and run code that triggers your functions, and infinite chats, so long workflows don't run into context limits. There are trade-offs. Faster releases mean more integration churn. Lower pricing raises vendor lock-in risks. And the effort parameter forces every team to make explicit decisions about latency and cost. And let's be honest, every team says they love experimenting. But rewriting wrappers and updating toolchains every few months? That's a different kind of love. The kind that hurts. But here's the upside. These rapid upgrades also mean your tools are leveling up faster than ever before. If you embrace that pace, your workflow might feel chaotic, but your capability ceiling gets much, much higher. Looking ahead for the next 6 to 12 months, coding agents will get stronger. Multi-hour workflow delegation will become normal. Complex RAG systems will get cheaper. And enterprise AI will shift toward efficiency first. Here's the core takeaway. The performance race and the pricing war are now fused together. You must be smarter and cheaper at the same time. Anthropic just set a new baseline. Your current system must become 2/3 cheaper and at least 10% smarter, because that is where the market is moving. If this helped, subscribe for more sharp, calm AI analysis here on AI Pulse. Thanks for watching.